How to reset mobile and Wi-Fi network to default settings on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. If you are facing the mobile data issue or Wi-Fi connection issue, reset the mobile data or Wi-Fi setting using this video. Open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to general management. Tap on a general management. Again scroll down. Here you can find the reset option on your Samsung device. Tap on it. Again scroll down. In the reset section, you can see the reset mobile network settings and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So you need to individually reset it. So first tap on a reset mobile network settings. Here you can see that this will reset all mobile network setting to default. Tap on a reset setting. Unlock your device. Now tap on again. Are you sure you want to reset your mobile network setting? This can't be undone. So make sure tap on a reset to reset your mobile network. Now you can see network setting reset on your device. And then go back here second reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. Tap on it. It will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. So if you save any Wi-Fi network or Bluetooth pair, it will remove. Here you can see connect Wi-Fi network on my Samsung device in the status bar. When you reset it, it will remove the Wi-Fi connection. You need to enter the password again. So tap on a reset setting at the bottom to reset the Wi-Fi. On it, tap on a reset setting. Now Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting reset, and you can see remove the Wi-Fi icon from the status bar. To use the Wi-Fi, you need to connect your device again. So it's quite easy to reset the mobile network settings and Wi-Fi on your Samsung S25 Ultra and other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.